Just landed 916 Lima Fox. We're in a dry lake bed in Nevada outside of Las Vegas. We brought our field service technician kit with us, something we at Beta have developed to support the aircraft. We've been on the road for 3,500 miles. Stepping in and working on the CX300, it keeps my fingernails clean. It is so simple and easy. I need a screwdriver to check in on some things for inspections, a small torque wrench to check fasteners. Beta's motor, ultra simple air-cooled electric motor. Between an air-cooled motor and no hydraulic systems or anything like that, it's super simple tooling.
I'm 14 screws away from getting in the motor, inspecting, and getting this thing back on the road.
All we have in this box
Keeps the maintenance straightforward, and that's what the customer wants.
We as mechanics look for what we call a mechanic's airplane for ease of working on it, and this fits the bill.